What's up, guys? Back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on a 2006 Dodge Ram, and we are replacing the passenger side brake caliper. What happened was this one locked in place, probably from never changing the brake fluid or flushing the system, and as you can see, it destroyed the rotor. It's been locked up for a while. So we're doing new pads and rotors in the front and replacing this caliper. Okay, well, I got the caliper and the rotor off. You can see some of that fluid nice and burnt from being locked up. Here's the caliper, the pistons really corroded and rusted and have some heat damage. Definitely don't want to reuse that. And they're locked. There's what's left of the brake pads, nothing but metal. See the rotor, pretty messed up on the edge here. You can buy rebuild kits to rebuild the caliper, but I think it's just safer to go ahead and replace it. I mean, you might as well. So it turns out that both the front calipers were locked up. The passenger side was worse, but I just went and picked up a new caliper for the driver's side. Just got done putting it on. New rotor, new pads. Pretty simple job to do. There's only these two bolts right here that hold the caliper on, and then these two that hold the bracket for the brake pads. And then all that's left to do is connect brake line here and then fill it up with brake fluid and bleed the brakes. Pretty simple job. Hopefully don't have to fix anything else anytime soon on this thing. Well, stay tuned for more content on the channel. I have a new review that's going to be up soon of the Challenger right here, and also another one of my Z that I'm going to be doing soon. So stay tuned. See you guys.